how to use Reddit. So if you want to use Reddit, then I'll show you some steps. So what you need to do is first you just need to open up your browser if you're using that on your computer or your PC. So if you have the application, simply search for Reddit, or if you don't have the application, go with the browser and then search for Reddit. Once you've searched, go for the first search, which is www.reddit.com. Make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now, Reddit can be overwhelming at first, but it's an amazing platform for finding communities, sharing content, and engaging in discussions. So, let's get started with our step by step guide. First things first, once you've logged into your Reddit app, this is your home page, right? Where you'll find all the latest posts from the communities you've subscribed to next. Now, let's explore the communities. So, what you can do is you just need to simply go for communities. Here, you will have the communities option. Click on communities, and here you can simply search for a community, or you can simply go with an existing community, which is right here. Simply click on any one of that, and here on the upper right you will have a join option. You can simply search for a community and you can join the communities based on your interest. Simply scroll through or use the search bar to find the communities you'd like to be a part of. Now let's talk about creating post. So tap on the plus icon, which will be here under the home. So simply go for the home. And under home here on the upper right, you will have create option. Simply click on the plus and it will take you to create post. And from here, you can add a text, or you can simply go with images and videos if you want to drag and drop some images or videos to your Reddit, or you can simply add a link, or you can add a poll. So you can select a community. Once you've selected the community, you can add poll to it, and from here you can create the poll. So you can add the title and the text, which is optional, and you can add some options, and you can post that poll, or you can simply add a link or add images and videos, text, and everything. You can go with the explore tab and you can explore communities. Now let's move on to the messages or the chat section, which is here on the upper right. Simply click on the messages, and from here you can start a new chat. You can discover the chat channels, or you can create a channel. If you don't have a channel, you can simply go with the plus icon and create a channel, or you can discover any chats to start a conversation with them. You can start a direct or a group chat with the other Redditors. And here on the upper right, you will have a bell shaped icon, right? That is for the notifications, where you will receive the notifications and messages from other communities or other Redditors. You can go for see all to see all the notifications, or you can go with messages to see your Reddit messages. Or if you want to make an advertisement on Reddit, then you can simply go with the advertising option on the upper right. You can simply click on it and then you can advertise on Reddit. Or you can go with the profile, which is on the upper right again. You can go with the profile and you can edit or make some changes on your profile, or you can see your achievements, your contributor programs. You can also enable the light mode or dark mode on Reddit, or you can log out if you want to switch to another account. And this is how you can use your Reddit. So it was easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.